Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be talking and teaching you all about compound words. So what are compound words? Compound words are when two or more words are combined into one. Not all words make compound words. So if you look at this like a math problem, two words equal one word. If you look at the picture on the right, we have a couple of examples. There's rain and coat, which makes raincoat, pan and cake, which makes pancake, ear and ring, which makes earring, snow and man, which makes snowman, and cat and fish, which makes catfish. Alright, so let's look at some more examples of compound words. We have baseball, which makes base and ball, basketball, which is basket and ball, football, which is foot and ball, pancake, like we said earlier, which is pan and cake, and fireworks, fire and works. Notice how these are two words that are combined into one. But if you look closely, the second word, when they're combined, isn't capitalized. Only the first word. Alright, let's practice spotting some compound words. Read through the sentences with me and see if you can spot the compound words. Pause if you need to so you can see the words. There might be compound words that aren't real, so read carefully. Alright, let's read question 1. Being together with my grandparents is always a fun time. Alright, were you able to spot the compound word? Let's see it. Alright, so the compound word we're going to be talking about is grandparents. That's circled in red. So this one is not correct. The sentence goes, being together with my grandparents is always a fun time. The reason this isn't correct is because it should be one word and not two. It should look like this, as one word, just grandparents, instead of grandparents. Now the sentence is correct because the compound word is fixed. Alright, now let's look at the next sentence. We make pancakes for breakfast on my birthday. Remember to pause and make sure that you're looking for which word should be turned into a compound word. Alright, the words circled in red are the ones that need to be fixed. Let's read the sentence again. We make pancakes for breakfast on my birthday. That doesn't sound quite right. We have to turn breakfast into one word to make it a compound word, so instead of breakfast, it's just breakfast. And the second one is going to be birthday, but now it's birthday. It should look like this. Alright, now let's read the last sentence. I go to the park and play basketball with my best friend. Now this one might be a little different. Which one shouldn't be one word and should be two? Let's find out. Alright, the word circled in red is best friend. So that might look right because, it just rolls off the tongue like that, best friend. But it's not. Best friend is not a word, it's two words. And so it shouldn't be a compound word, it should be two words by themselves. It should look more like this. Alright, this is a lot better. So let's read the sentence again. I go to the park and play basketball with my best friend. That sounds a lot better. Now we're going to do some more practice. So, which is right? We're going to have some questions that have one right answer. Some of them are trick questions, so you got to read carefully, and some of them are both right. So make sure that you're following along and pausing if you need to. Alright, let's read question 1. Never mind or never mind. So, which one's correct? The correct answer is actually never mind. Never mind is not a compound word. It's a word that does not exist. Never mind is two words. See, that one was a little bit tricky. Let's go on to number 2. Everything or everything. Alright, So this one was a little tricky. That's because both of them are right. Everything works, and so does everything. They have two different meanings, but they're close enough to where people get them confused. Make sure that when you use everything in your writing that you're using the right kind, the compound word or just both words. Alright, let's read question 3. Sometimes or sometimes. Alright, we're going to be using the two words combined, from sometimes into sometimes. This is the compound word, and this is how we use it. Alright, let's look at our fourth question. Is it cross walk or crosswalk? This one's a little tricky because they both make sense. Alright, but let's get ready and see which one it is. The correct answer is crosswalk, just one word. So this is going to be a combination of cross and walk and making the compound word crosswalk. Alright, that was a basic lesson on what compound words are. So let's just try and remember a few things before we go so we remember what compound words are. Compound words are a combination of two words. So there's one word and another, and they combine to make one. Remember, not all words can be turned into compound words. You should try to remember which words make compound words so you're not confused in your writing and you don't make mistakes. Remember to practice these in your writing so that you can continue to be a good writer, and remember that compound words are fun to use and that they can have a bunch of different meanings.